Hello, pre-graduate students. In this video, we are going to be looking at simplifying variable expressions. And to do that, we have to understand what it means for things to be like terms. And in order to be a like term, that simply means they must have the same variable, or we might call that the letter. And when we do that, we are just going to combine the coefficients of the parts that are up front. So for the first one, 2x minus 4x, we can combine those because this is going to turn, they both have x's, so it's going to turn into 2 minus 4, which is negative 2, and we keep that variable x plus 5. For number 2, our like terms are going to be 7y and 8y, so we combine them by adding the numbers, so 7 plus 8 gives me 15y, and the plus 9 has nothing to combine with, so it stays the same. Okay, moving to the next one. Our like terms here are 24g and 14g, so we're going to add those together, so it'll be 24g plus 14g, which is going to give us a 38g, and then we can add negative 18 minus 9, which is going to give us a negative 27. So our final answer is 38g minus 27. Okay, for here, the next one, 6x has no like terms, so that's just going to stay by itself. The negative 8z has no like terms, so that just stays by itself. So the only like terms we have are negative 3 minus 20. So when we do negative 3 minus 20, we end up with negative 23. So our final answer is 6x minus 8z minus 23. Okay, moving on. So moving on, we have 2/5 z and 3/5 z are our like terms. Again, we're looking for ones that have the same variable. So we just add the top, so 2 plus 3 is 5 over 5z, and then negative 8 plus 4 gives us a negative 4, and this these simplify to be z minus 4. On the next one, I do 1/3 x minus 5/3 x. So I do 1 minus 5, so it'll be negative 4/3. The x stays the same. And then 2 minus 17 is negative 15. So again, when we want to look for like terms, we want to find things that have the exact same letters and put them together. All right, so at this point, you can go ahead and do the check for understanding, and then there'll be some get more math practice for you, and then you will have a homework assignment tonight.